Welcome to 7 Scapes with the Social Squad.
Our first of the series is a South Asian garden dinner. So I was craving Daal Chawal last night, and Aisha suggested that we can go vegetarian today.
And my mother-in-law has these amazing set of thalis, so I think I'll use those. You could use any dinner plates. Let's walk you through some list of what all you need for this. So the whole point is to use home objects, so of course you can shift around and substitute a few things.
So the weather is amazing today, and Aisha's just gone to get white fabric. So it's 6:45 p.m. and we're setting up for an 8 o'clock dinner. It's going to take roughly around 60 minutes for what we wanna plan.
So I'm still figuring out my placements based on the stuff I found in the house. So you should also take your sweet time to decide where you want to place what.
So Aisha loves fairy lights, and we have a few battery operated ones at home. So I'm just gonna untangle them and place it on the plant.
So I'm picking out some ripened leaves from this ficus plant that I have in my backyard, and you can make use of any trees that you have or any like plants that you have. That's up to you, any greens.
So Aisha's putting a runner with the fabric she had available at home. You can of course use your own fabric to use as a runner. I'm still doing the fairy lights.
Have you noticed we've gone changed for the dinner? So you need to use around 6 to 8 cushions depending upon what designs you have at home and make a combination. Now I'm placing a simple white vase. You could use any vase available at your house. I'm using a terracotta one and adding the leaves that I plucked earlier.
So my task was to get a few candle stands and vases from around the house. So I picked a few from my entrance corridor and placing it.
So I had some artificial flowers in these vases. You could use anything that you like based on what you have. Now we're spreading out the thalis, which we spoke about earlier. And as said, you could use any dinner plates that you have.
So we're gonna do some things around the napkins now, but I'm going to give you a closer look here.
We're using plain white napkins, and we had napkin rings at home, but you could like alternate with any bracelets or dangly rings that you have. Now adding a little touch of nature with this small leaf.
So I just picked up a side table from my lounge so we could have a bit more space. So depending on what you have, you can just place it on the side.
And I just added the muras and 2 leftover cushions that I had. You could do with any stools or puffies and cushions.
So I'm just adding some glasses to the table, and Aisha's doing some finishing touches. And I'm just gonna take a quick smoke break, though smoking is injurious to health. So I'm going to light up the candles, and we had an extra vase, so we're going to place that and finalize the decor.
And we're almost there. Fahad is adding a tissue box on the table, and now we'll take you to the final look.
And that's your South Asian garden dinner with the social squad.
Now, why would you need to go out of the house when you can do it at your own place?
So show us your Scape by using hashtag 7Scape challenge and tagging our Instagram page.
And do share your questions and feedback and ideas in the comments below.
If you like our series, keep following the Social Squad PK or keep watching our IGTV.